Welcome to my channel. Troubleshooting common TP-Link router setup issues. 1. Check your connections first. Before you start panicking, make sure everything is plugged in right. WAN cable in the right port. Power on. Lights blinking the way they should. Sounds obvious, but 70% of setup issues are just a cable not fully seated. 2. Reset and restart. Power cycle the router. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, turn it back on. If that doesn't cut it, hit the reset button. Hold it for about 10 seconds until the lights go nuts. Start fresh and try setup again. 3. Use the correct login info. TP-Link routers often default to admin or printed credentials. Don't mess with typos here. If you've changed it before and forgot, reset the router and use the default credentials to log in. 4. Update firmware. If your router setup stalls or keeps dropping devices, check TP-Link's site for the latest firmware. Download it, log into your router admin panel, and upload it. This often fixes bugs the router shipped with. 5. Disable VPNs and firewalls temporarily. Setup can fail if your PC or phone is running a VPN or aggressive firewall. Turn them off while you configure. You can turn them back on once the router is live. 6. Check IP and DHCP settings. If devices can't connect, it could be an IP mess. Make sure DHCP is enabled. Your router should hand out addresses automatically. Manual IP settings can break things if you're not careful. 7. Try a different device or browser. Sometimes the issue isn't the router at all, it's your browser or device. If setup stalls on Chrome, try Edge or a phone. Some older devices don't play nice with TP-Link's web interface. Thanks for watching.